तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू बढ़ता चल.
We've been receiving this question from students that the ones who are laid off in this pandemic from their jobs and they are preparing for SSB also, how should they keep themselves motivated and what they should do in this time period to make the most out of it?
Okay, fine. This is a very relevant question and it is affecting a large number of students. See, the basic of proactive nature is that you focus on the things which are in your control. And that is what you should do in this situation as also in all situations. So let us visualize the situation of one aspirant who was working and he has got laid off and SSB is coming up. Now, I have been promoting the idea that a person should not be sitting at home and preparing for SSB because this is irresponsible behavior and a person should be working. Now, he was working but he has got laid off and he is not getting another job. So, let us visualize his situation, what he should do. See, in these circumstances, first thing he should do is he should put in adequate efforts to apply for another job so that he can get re-employed. That is one thing. Apart from that, he will be having a lot of spare time which he was utilizing in the work. Now, in that time, he should utilize it to the best of his abilities to upgrade his knowledge and skills. Let us say he was an IT professional. He knew some language, he wanted to learn some language, he had some idea about web designing, he could have improved upon it. So he should focus on those things and upgrade his capabilities. And this thing is applicable to everybody. If you are studying something else or you are working in some other field, in that you can upgrade your knowledge and skills. So this is a sense of proactive nature is that whatever in your hands, you do that to the best of your ability. So what will happen is once you do that, you will find that when you get a new employer, probably you will be able to work on a higher position because of the skills you have upgraded. And this should be your outlook all the time. That whatever is, you just think that what I can do, this is the reality, what I can do to change my situation for the better, and you will get this answer. So that is what you should do. And the less frustrated you get, the better off you will be. Like from a simple life example I give is that you are in a situation, you are caught in a traffic jam. So what do? Vehicles are not moving, so you can keep cursing people, you can keep honking. No, this will only create negative energy and you will not be benefiting in any manner. So what you can do is, if you had some thinking to do that. If you had some things to answer on phone, on WhatsApp or something, you could do that. Or whatever productive work you can do in that time, please do that. So that you are not wasting your time. So there will be no negative energy and the time which you had in hand would be well utilized. I hope I have been able to answer you adequately. Any questions on this?
No, I guess it's been adequately answered. I do not have any questions on this further.
Fine, then thank you.